Welcome to Data Analysis. Upload your CSV, Excel, or JSON file to begin, or try one of our sample datasets. Select your dataset with just a few clicks and take the first step of your analysis. DataSpark instantly processes your file, giving you an overall quality score in seconds. Before analysis begins, we proactively detect missing information and outliers in your data, ensuring your results are reliable. You can always preview your data with full control and confidently move to the next step. Now for the exciting part. DataSpark generates analysis scenarios specific to your data. Just select what you're interested in and leave the rest to us. And here are the results. Your selected analyses are complete, and the summary insights are ready. Dive into the details of each analysis with professional charts showing the distribution and statistical summary of your data. Discover not just charts, but actionable and key insights derived directly from your data. For those who want to dive deeper, we provide the Python code to reproduce all analyses in your own environment.
Thank you for watching.